Every successful person has a painful story. Every painful story has a successful ending. Accept the pain and get ready for success. Dear students, the struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. Today we will discuss some chemical reactions of BDC or some synthesis from BDC, Balch-Chaiman reaction, synthesis of iodobenzene, synthesis of nitrobenzene, synthesis of phenol and synthesis of benzene. Before going to the synthesis from BDC, first we will discuss some very important questions. Let us discuss some very important questions one by one. Revision question 2. Question number 1 is convert benzene to metahydroxybenzaldehyde. We will convert benzene to metahydroxybenzaldehyde. It is benzene. We will convert by using different procedures to metahydroxybenzaldehyde. With respect to CHO, this is ortho position, this is meta position, meta OH, metahydroxybenzaldehyde. This is the question. So first, we will convert benzene to toluene. So benzene is converted to toluene. When benzene react with the CH3Cl in presence of AlCl3 and the reaction undergoes Friedel-Crafts alkylation, it gives toluene. Again, toluene undergoes ethyl reaction. Toluene is treated with CrO2Cl2 chromyl chloride in CCl4. This is ethyl reaction. It gives benzaldehyde. It is benzaldehyde, and the conversion of toluene to benzaldehyde is ethyl reaction. Students, you know benzaldehyde is meta-directive. So this benzaldehyde undergoes nitration and the electrophile is NO2 plus. As benzaldehyde is meta-directive, so nitration takes place at meta position. It is meta-nitrobenzaldehyde. Meta-nitrobenzaldehyde undergoes reduction in presence of tin and HCl. The process is known as reduction. NO2 group is converted to NH2. Again, NH2 group undergoes diazotization, that is grease reaction. NH2 will be converted to N2Cl. The process is known as diazotization and the reagents are NaNO2 plus 2HCl at 273 Kelvin. N2Cl, diazonium salt. These diazonium salt, when boiled with H2O, this N2Cl will be converted to OH. CHO remains as usual and N2Cl is converted to OH. So the compound's name is metahydroxybenzaldehyde. So this is the required steps to convert benzene to metahydroxybenzaldehyde. Some name reactions we are using in this conversion. Conversion of benzene to toluene is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Conversion of toluene to benzaldehyde is ethyl reaction. conversion of benzaldehyde to nitrobenzaldehyde is nitration. This process is reduction, and conversion of NH2 to N2Cl is known as Grease reaction or diazotization. So this is the conversion from benzene to metahydroxybenzaldehyde. Come to question number 2. Complete. Phenyl benzoate react with NO2 plus. What happens when phenyl benzoate undergoes nitration? Question number 2. Phenyl benzoate it undergoes nitration, means at what position NO2 plus will attack. This is ring number 1. If it is ring number 1 and it is ring number 2, the question is at what position nitration takes place. Nitration takes place at ring number 1 or ring number 2. Due to the presence of CO group, due to the presence of electron withdrawing CO group, ring 1 is deactivated. Ring 1 is deactivated due to electron withdrawing CO group. So ring 1 is activated and the lone pair is present at this oxygen. So nitration takes place at this ring. Nitration takes place at ring number 2. So the product will be NO2. Nitration takes place at ring number 2. Right? Nitration does not take place at ring number 1 due to the presence of carbonyl group, electron withdrawing group. This ring 1 get activated in comparison to ring number 2. So nitration takes place with respect to para position. So the product is nitro compound. This is the answer of question number 2. Come to question number 3. Fill in the blanks. गोटे शून्यस्थान पूरण क्वेश्चन पचरा reduction of phenyl cyanide. Reduction of phenyl cyanide with lithium aluminum hydride gives dash and phenyl isocyanide gives dash. We have to reduce phenyl cyanide and phenyl isocyanide. Question number 3. Reduction. I will discuss reduction versus hydrolysis. It is RCN, alkyl cyanide. If it undergoes reduction in presence of lithium aluminum hydride, this CN is converted to CH2NH2 or CH2NH2. So phenyl cyanide, C triple bond N, when undergoes reduction in presence of lithium aluminum hydride, LAH, lithium aluminum hydride, this CN is converted to CH2NH2. CH2NH2 is your benzyl amine. Reduction of cyanide. When isocyanide undergoes reduction, RNC, in the same reducing agent, lithium aluminum hydride, the product will be RNHCH3, a secondary amine. But here RCH2NH2 is a primary amine. So this is the basic difference between the reduction of alkyl cyanide versus alkyl isocyanide. If I will take phenyl isocyanide undergoes reduction in presence of same reducing agent, this NC group will be converted to NHCH3 and the product is N-methyl aniline. N-methyl aniline. This is all about reduction. Then come to hydrolysis. If alkyl cyanide undergoes hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, H3O plus. You know this CN group is converted to COH. So the product is RCOH plus NH3 carboxylic acid means CN group is converted to COH. If I will take isocyanide RNC, which again undergoes acid hydrolysis, H3O plus means acid hydrolysis, so the product will be RNH2 plus formic acid. It is primary amine. So this is all about your reduction of alkyl cyanide and alkyl isocyanide and hydrolysis of alkyl cyanide and alkyl isocyanide. According to the question, when phenyl cyanide undergoes reduction, it gives benzyl amine, and when phenyl isocyanide undergoes reduction, it gives N-methyl aniline. N-methyl aniline is a secondary amine, whereas benzyl amine is a primary amine. So this is the about reduction versus hydrolysis of cyanides and isocyanides. Come to question number 3. Question number 4. The major product obtained when bromine is treated with गोटे compound देइछि ता संगे bromine मिसा हबो, bromination करा हबो. You just look at what position bromination takes place in this compound. Question number 4. NH. Here also CO is there, and this is methyl. Here also methyl. It undergoes bromination. Br2 in presence of FeBr3 halogen carrier. At what position bromination takes place? Ring number 1 रे bromination हबो ना ring number 2 रे किना bromination हबो? At what position? This is ring number 1. एटा हमर हला ring number 1 माने कर एटा होछ ring number 2. Ring number 2. In ring number 1, NH group, activate group is there. Activate. Ring 1 is activated due to the presence of NH group. Ring 2 is deactivated due to the presence of CO group. Deactivated due to the presence of CO group. CO group, deactivated group. Here NH activated group. So ring 1 is activated. So bromination takes place at ring number 1. But at what position? Bromination takes place in ring number 1 at para position, because ortho position is occupied. Ortho position is occupied. So bromination takes place at para position. Bromination takes place at para position. So the product will be at ring number 1 with respect to NH at para position. So the product will be here NH remains as usual. Here carbonyl group, deactivated group. Methyl group remains as usual. Here also methyl group remains as usual. So bromination takes place at para position because ortho position is occupied. Ring 1 is activated, so bromination takes place in ring number 1. So this is all about your question number 4, and the correct option is option A. Come to question number 5. Arrange acidic nature of A and B. We have to compare the product A versus product B, which is more acidic. The question is, toluene on oxidation with alkaline KMnO4 gives A. Phenol on Reimer-Tiemann reaction, which was taught in phenol chapter, in presence of CCl4 NaOH gives B. We have to compare A versus B, which is more acidic. Question number 5. Toluene undergoes oxidation in presence of alkaline KMnO4. It gives benzoic acid. So benzoic acid is A. এটা আমরা হয়ে গেল benzoic acid. So A is benzoic acid. এটা আমরা হচ্ছে benzoic acid. And what about B? When phenol undergoes Reimer-Tiemann reaction in presence of CCl4 and NaOH, it is Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Reimer-Tiemann reaction, it gives salicylic acid, orthohydroxy benzoic acid. Orthohydroxy benzoic acid is your B, salicylic acid. So B is salicylic acid or orthohydroxy benzoic acid. So first toluene undergoes oxidation, it gives benzoic acid. The process is oxidation. And phenol undergoes Reimer-Tiemann reaction, gives salicylic acid. But the question is A versus B, which is more acidic? Benzoic acid বেশি acidic না salicylic acid বেশি acidic? If you will compare, salicylic acid will be more acidic due to ortho effect. So acidic nature is equal to B is more acidic than A. Salicylic acid is more acidic than benzoic acid due to ortho effect. That is known as ortho effect. So salicylic acid will be more acidic than benzoic acid. This is all about your question number 5. Come to question number 6. Identify ABCD. What identify पचरा है A, B, C, D, E and F. This is what a road map. We have to identify A, B, C, D, E and F. Question number 5. A react with nitric acid gives B. A ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ମିଶିବ nitric acid ବାହାରିବ B. B undergoes reduction gives C. C undergoes carbyl amine reaction because the reagents are CHCl3KOH gives D. D on reduction gives E. Conversion of C to one amide at what reagent? So we have to identify A, B, C, D, E and F. A is nitrobenzene because one ring is there and that compound undergoes nitration. So A is benzene. A টা have a benzene, B have a nitrobenzene. So number A টা হচ্ছে benzene. Question number 6. A টাକୁ যদি benzene নবা, it is A benzene. A টা ଆମର ହେବ benzene. याको ଆମେ nitration କରିବା HNO3 plus sulfuric acid nitration mixture. Nitration process is known as nitration. आमे पाइजिबा nitrobenzene. So nitrobenzene is B. Nitrobenzene undergoes reduction in presence of tin and HCl. The process is known as reduction. आमे पाइबा aniline. एठी हम aniline पाइजिबा NH2. It gives aniline because NO2 is converted to NH2. Again this aniline undergoes carbyl amine reaction CHCl3 and KOH. It gives isocyanide NC. It is NC. Isocyanide means it is phenyl isocyanide. It is aniline. এটা আমার হলো aniline. phenyl isocyanide undergoes reduction. Phenyl isocyanide undergoes reduction. It gives a secondary amine NHCH3 N-methyl aniline. So the product is N-methyl aniline paiva, N-methyl aniline. Again also one question is there, what happens when this aniline undergoes acylation? या संगे यदि मिसई देवी CH3COCl acid chloride or acetic anhydride, it undergoes acylation and the product is given NHCOCH3. It a question देइछि. So this is the road map. So A is benzene, A टाइम होछि benzene, B होछि nitrobenzene, B is nitrobenzene, B टाइम हैला nitrobenzene, C होछि aniline, it is C is aniline. Conversion of C to D, D is phenyl isocyanide according to the question. D is phenyl isocyanide, E is N-methyl. So this is D. D is phenyl isocyanide, N-methyl aniline is E, but the reagent is F. You can use acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride as F. So this is all about your road map problems. Now we will discuss some chemical reactions of BDC or some synthesis from BDC. Our first reaction is substitution by F or Balch-Chaiman reaction. We have to prepare fluorobenzene from BDC, benzene diazonium chloride. Reaction is synthesis of fluorobenzene or Balch-Chaiman reaction, or synthesis of fluorobenzene from benzene diazonium chloride. So the reactant is BDC, benzene diazonium chloride, N2Cl. It reacts with HBF4 fluoroboric acid. You can use also KBF4 potassium fluoroborate, or you can use also NaBF4 sodium fluoroborate. It gives N2BF4 benzene diazonium fluoroborate. This is BDC, benzene diazonium chloride. It is benzene diazonium fluoroborate. When this benzene diazonium fluoroborate is heated in presence of copper, it gives fluorobenzene. आमे पाइबा fluorobenzene F plus N2 plus BF3. It is fluorobenzene. So what is Balch-Chaiman reaction? The process of conversion of BDC to fluorobenzene when benzene diazonium chloride react with fluoroboric acid or potassium fluoroborate or sodium fluoroborate is called Balch-Chaiman reaction. So this is the synthesis of fluorobenzene from BDC. Come to the next reaction. Substitution by iodine, or we have to synthesize iodobenzene from BDC. We have to synthesize iodobenzene. So this is synthesis of iodobenzene. How is it synthesized from BDC? Our reactant is benzene diazonium chloride, N2Cl. When benzene diazonium chloride react with Ki, when it react with potassium iodide, iodobenzene is formed. Iodobenzene plus N2 plus KCl, iodobenzene. This is BDC. So when BDC is heated with potassium iodide, iodobenzene is formed. So iodobenzene, synthesis of iodobenzene is difficult. So this is one of the best method to synthesize iodobenzene from BDC. Next come to some questions. Conversion is given, nitrobenzene to iodobenzene, and another question is why iodination of benzene is difficult. Suggest any two different methods for the synthesis of iodobenzene. So first we have to convert nitrobenzene to iodobenzene. Conversion of nitrobenzene to iodobenzene. Conversion. Nitrobenzene is given. By applying different methods, we have to convert nitrobenzene to iodobenzene. आम पाखे अच्छे नाइट्रोबेंजीन डिफरेंट मेथड्स यूटिलाइज करके आम कन्वर्सन करवा आयोडोबेंजीन तेणु प्रथम नाइट्रोबेंजीन कन्वर्सन हो आनिलीन आनिलीन कन्वर्सन हम बीडीसी देन बीडीसी इज कन्वर्टेड टू आयोडोबेंजीन सो द आंसर इज प्रथम नहीं नाइट्रोबेंजीन एटा हमर हला नाइट्रोबेंजीन नाइट्रोबेंजीन ऑन रिडक्शन इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ tin and HCl it gives aniline NH2 aniline आमे पाई जब aniline aniline on diazotization or Grease reaction aniline is treated with NaNO2 HCl at 0 degree centigrade. The process is known as diazotization. It gives BDC आमे पाई जब BDC N2Cl it हला BDC and this BDC when heated with potassium iodide it gives iodobenzene आमे पाइगले iodobenzene. So these are the required steps to convert nitrobenzene to iodobenzene. Another question is why iodination of benzene is difficult. Iodination of benzene to prepare iodobenzene directly from benzene is difficult. Why? And suggest two methods for the synthesis of iodobenzene. Next question is iodination of benzene. एठी मनकर प्रथम नेबी बेंजीन नेबी एठी नहीं गले बेंजीन बेंजीन संगरे एठी I2 मिसेइबी I2 मिसेइले आमे एठी पाइबा कथा आयोडोबेंजीन प्लस HI हियर H आमे आयोडोबेंजीन पाइबा कथा किंतु क्वेश्चन पचरा है व्हाई iodination of benzene is difficult because iodination is a reversible process. When benzene react with iodine it gives iodobenzene and HI. Due to the formation of HI the reaction is reversible. benzene संगे मिसब I2 iodobenzene बाहरिबो HI बाहरिबो HI formation हबारु again iodobenzene is converted to benzene iodobenzene पुणी benzene conversion हो. So this is not the required step. How to make the reaction always in the forward direction. So we have to use oxidizing agents. If oxidizing agent is used the reaction does not get back. So the reaction will be always in the forward direction. So the first method is आमे नवा बेंजीन आमे बेंजीन नहीं जावा ता संगे आमे I2 मिसेबा in presence of oxidizing agent like nitric acid किंबा iodic acid किंबा mercuric oxide एमाने है oxidizing agent एमान सब है oxidizing agent मानर काम होची HI is oxidized to I2 एठा HI formation है रहिबो नाही HI formation है जेहेतु रहिबोनी so the reaction always will be carried out in the forward direction never backward. So it gives iodobenzene plus HI and the HI get oxidized HI संगे जेतले मिसि जबो nitric acid किंबा iodic acid किंबा mercurous oxide this HI get oxidized. So this is one method. That means when benzene react with iodine in presence of oxidizing agents it gives iodobenzene. So this is one method. आमे पाई जबा iodobenzene. And another method is how to synthesize iodobenzene. Another method is we have to take BDC, amino acid benzene diazonium chloride, BDC. ए बीडी संगे आम मिसेबा KI, ये यदि पोटासियम आयोडाइड मिसीज आम ये पाइबा आयोडोबेंजीन. इट गिव्स आयोडोबेंजीन प्लस KCl प्लस N2. आयोडोबेंजीन इज प्रिपेयर्ड. आम ये पाइगला आयोडोबेंजीन. तेणु जो क्वेश्चन पचरा व्हाई डायरेक्ट आयोडिनेशन इज डिफिकल्ट. डायरेक्ट आयोडिनेशन इज डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज रिएक्शन इज रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस. If HI is oxidized, then the reaction will be carried out always in the forward direction. So you have to use oxidizing agents like nitric acid, iodic acid or mercuric chloride. So this is the first method to prepare iodobenzene from benzene through iodination and using oxidizing agents. And the second method, when BDC react with potassium iodide, we will get iodobenzene. These two are the two best methods to synthesize iodobenzene from benzene and from BDC. Next, come to multiple choice question number 6, MCQ 6. देखो मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिएक्शन गिव्स रॉन्ग प्रोडक्ट. जो चार्टा ऑप्शन देछि तीनटा अछि ठीक, गोटे अछि भूल. वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द रॉन्ग प्रोडक्ट. व्हिच रिएक्शन इज रॉन्ग. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट बिकॉज BDC when treated with KCN or CuCN it gives cyanobenzene. Option A is correct. Option B also correct because BDC when react with KNO2 potassium nitrite it gives nitrobenzene. Option B is correct. Option C is wrong. This is the correct answer. BDC when react with H2SO4 it does not give benzene. When BDC react with H3PO2 hypophosphorus acid it gives benzene. So the answer of multiple choice question number 6 is C. Third option is correct. Come to option D. When BDC react with KI, iodobenzene is formed. So C option, third option is the correct answer. Next, come to substitution by NO2. We have to synthesize nitrobenzene from BDC. Synthesis of nitrobenzene. Synthesis of nitrobenzene. We have to take BDC, benzene diazonium chloride, N2Cl. When benzene diazonium chloride react with fluoroboric acid, HBF4, it gives benzene diazonium fluoroborate, N2BF4. प्रथम कंपाउंड होची BDC, सेकंड कंपाउंड होची बेंजीन डाइजोनियम फ्लोरोबोरेट. When this benzene diazonium fluoroborate N2BF4 is heated with NaNO2, it gives nitrobenzene. आमेटी पाइजबा nitrobenzene, NO2 nitrobenzene. Plus byproducts are N2 plus NaBF4 or it will give NaF plus BF3. This is one method to prepare nitrobenzene from BDC. If you will add directly, again also this BDC when heated with NaNO2 in presence of copper powder, direct synthesis, it also gives nitrobenzene. So by this method we can synthesize nitrobenzene by using fluoroboric acid or HBF4 or potassium fluoroborate, and also directly you can use NaNO2 sodium nitrite So this is all about the synthesis of nitrobenzene. So nitrobenzene is synthesized when BDC react with NO, NO2 and copper. One question is there. Question बोलिए पढ़ो. Meta-dinitrobenzene to meta-dichlorobenzene. We have to convert meta-dinitrobenzene to meta-dichlorobenzene, and another is structural determination. So first we will do the conversion, meta-dinitrobenzene to meta-dichlorobenzene. So this is very easy conversion. So come to the conversion part. Question is like this. Meta-dinitrobenzene NO2 NO2. Meta-dinitrobenzene by using different steps is converted to meta-dibromo or meta-dichlorobenzene. Meta-dibromobenzene or meta-dichlorobenzene. So in the first step, this dinitrobenzene NO2 and NO2 with respect to this, these are 1,3-dinitro or meta-dinitrobenzene. एटा हला हमरा meta-dinitro. Meta-dinitrobenzene undergoes reduction in presence of SN and HCl. The process is reduction. एटा कहते reduction. आम एट पाई जिबा दीटा हे जिबा NH2 NH2. एटा हमरा हे गला NH2 and this also undergoes reduction NO2 converted to NH2. Here also NO2 is converted to NH2. Diamine हे गला. Diamine हे साला परे that diamine undergoes diazotization. NaNO2 plus HCl at ice cold temperature 273 Kelvin. Ice cold temperature at low temperature 0 degree centigrade, it is converted to N2Cl and N2Cl. एटा हमारा हेला N2Cl, ये भी हेला हमारा N2Cl. दीटा हेला डाइजोनियम क्लोराइड. This N2Cl undergoes Sandmeyer's reaction. It is treated with CuBr in presence of HBr. ए रिएक्शन कौन कह जिवो? एटा होचे Sandmeyer's reaction. एटा हला Sandmeyer's reaction. This reaction undergoes Sandmeyer's reaction. It gives dibromobenzene, meta-dibromobenzene. So this is the required steps to convert meta-dinitrobenzene to meta-dibromobenzene. If the question is convert meta-dinitrobenzene to meta-dichlorobenzene, here also you will add CuCl and HBr. That is also undergoes Sandmeyer's reaction to give meta-dichloro or dibromobenzene. And next question is one structural determination. What question देइछि, we have to identify the structure. Question option पढ़ो. An organic compound A C7H7NO react with KOBr, potassium hypobromite, gives B. B react with C6H5SO2Cl. You know C6H5SO2Cl is Hinsberg reagent, and the crystalline solid is soluble in NaOH. B is prepared from C on treatment with reduction. SnHCl देइछि. Identify A, B, C. The molecular formula is given C7H7NO, which react with KOBr. It means the reactant undergoes Hofmann-Bromamide reaction. Means your A is benzamide. तो एटा हमर एटा होछि बेंजामाइड. तो आमे एठी बेंजामाइड नै जिबा. एटा होछि बेंजामाइड CONH2. एटा होछि हमर A benzamide. This benzamide undergoes KOBr treatment, potassium hypobromite. It is your Hofmann-Bromamide reaction. एटा कहते Hofmann. एटा हेगला Hofmann-Bromamide reaction. Hofmann-Bromamide reaction. Hofmann-Bromamide reaction converts benzamide to aniline. ए CO ग्रुप टा कटि जिवो. तमे एट पाई गलो aniline. It gives aniline NH2. तो एटा हमरा हेटा हेला aniline. एटा होछि B. B is aniline, primary aromatic amine. जेहेतु एटा primary aromatic amine, it react with C6 H5SO2Cl it is Hinsberg reagent एटा कौन कह एटा हूँ Hinsberg reagent when aniline react with Hinsberg reagent a crystalline solid is formed this crystalline solid again react with NaOH से crystalline solid संगे पुणी NaOH मिसिबो NaOH मिसला पर the product is soluble it gives a soluble product the product is soluble because this is primary amine हमरो distinction से पढ़ाई छी when primary aromatic amine react with Hinsberg reagent a crystalline solid is formed which is soluble in NaOH so A और B identify हो गला से पूर्ण क्वेश्चन पचार छी this B is prepared from C identify C so C is your nitrobenzene तो C टा हबो nitrobenzene कहीं कि nitrobenzene on reduction in presence of tin and HCl it gives aniline तो C टा होउची तमरा nitrobenzene from this structural determination you are identifying A hela benzamide B होउची aniline C होउची nitrobenzene so this is the answer of this question number 2 structural determination next come to MCQ 7 multiple choice question number 7 for the reaction sequence गोटे reaction sequence देइची BDC रे मिसिबो HBF4 तुम पाई जब फ्लोरोबेंजीन जानिछ फ्लोरोबेंजीन बाहरिबो तो हमर एटा होची फ्लोरोबेंजीन हे सरला परे तापर मिसा हबो NaNO2 आ कॉपर हिट फ्लोरोबेंजीन when treated with sodium nitrite it gives nitrobenzene so second option nitrobenzene is correct for question number 7 next is synthesis of phenol from BDC we have to synthesize phenol from BDC how to synthesize phenol from BDC so next heading is synthesis of phenol from BDC so the reactant is benzene diazonium chloride when this BDC is heated with H2O boiling H2O so the product will be phenol OH plus N2 plus HCl it is your phenol एटा तमरा phenol हे गेला एटा तमरा होची BDC that means when BDC is heated with H2O when BDC is treated with boiling H2O it gives phenol so this is the synthesis of phenol from benzene diazonium chloride now come to next conversion nitrobenzene to phenol and another question is benzene to metabromophenol we will do these two conversions तो क्वेश्चन देछि नाइट्रोबेंजीन टू फिनल करा हबो नाइट्रोबेंजीन फिनल करा हबो तार बेंजीन टू मेटाब्रोमोफेनॉल करा हबो फर्स्ट कन्वर्सन लिखाई जे नाइट्रोबेंजीन टू करा हबो फिनल NO2 will use different procedures to convert phenol NO2 टा हिजबो OH तो प्रथमे आमे नबा नाइट्रोबेंजीन एटा होचे NO2 नाइट्रोबेंजीन टा करा हबो रिडक्शन नाइट्रोबेंजीन हेला रिडक्शन इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ tin and HCl it gives aniline आमे पाई जबा aniline NH2 एटा हला aniline एटा होचे नाइट्रोबेंजीन सब कंपाउंड तले ना लिखा हबो aniline हे साला परे याको करा हबो डाई आजोडाइजेशन और ग्रीस रिएक्शन NaNO2 plus HCl at ice cold temperature the process is known as diazotization तमे पाई जबो बेंजीन डाइजोनियम क्लोराइड BDC एठी हेला BDC N2Cl एटा तमरा होची बेंजीन डाइजोनियम क्लोराइड and how to get phenol from BDC when BDC is heated with H2O ये पानी मिसैकी हिट कले इट विल गिव फिनॉल आम ये पाई OH एटा हूँ फिनॉल सो दिस इज रिक्वायर्ड स्टेप्स टू कन्वर्ट नाइट्रोबेंजीन टू फिनॉल and come to another conversion is benzene to metabromophenol benzene देछि आमे पाइबा मेटाब्रोमोफेनॉल जेतु मेटाब्रोमो लिखाई तेणु बेंजीन टाको प्रथम करा हबो नाइट्रोबेंजीन बिकॉज नाइट्रोबेंजीन इज मेटा डायरेक्टिव सो द क्वेश्चन इज बेंजीन टू मेटाब्रोमोफेनॉल एटा हमर हेला बेंजीन we will use different reactions it will give metabromophenol आमे पाइबा मेटाब्रोमोफेनॉल so this is OH एटा हमर हेला ब्रोमीन एटा होची प्रोडक्ट so the answer is like this तेणु प्रथम आम नहीं बेंजीन आगे नहीं हबा बेंजीन बेंजीन को करा हबा नाइट्रेशन तमे पाइब नाइट्रोबेंजीन एटा हमर हेला नाइट्रोबेंजीन NO2 नाइट्रोबेंजीन नाइट्रोबेंजीन हो सारा पर मन रख नाइट्रोबेंजीन हूँ मेटा डायरेक्टिव नाइट्रोबेंजीन हूँ मेटा डायरेक्टिव बिकॉज NO2 ग्रुप इज एन इलेक्ट्रॉन विथ ड्रॉइंग ग्रुप नाइट्रोबेंजीन हो सारा पर आम ब्रोमिनेशन कराइबा Br2 इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ FeBr3 और AlBr3 ब्रोमिनेशन द प्रोसेस इज नोन एज ब्रोमिनेशन आम ये पाई मेटा ब्रोमो नाइट्रोबेंजीन एटा है NO2 एठी लगे ब्रोमीन एबे कौन करबा ये जो आसीगला NO2 ताको प्रोसेसिंग करबा NO2 हबा के रिडक्शन NO2 हे जो रिडक्शन टू NH2 NO2 हे गला NH2 मेटा ब्रोमो अनिलीन तापर में BDC करि परिबा BDC रो प्रोसेस तुम जानि छ NaNO2 HCl 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड और डाई आजोटाइजेशन इट गिव्स BDC मेटा ब्रोमो बेंजीन डाइजोनियम क्लोराइड एटा हम पाई गले N2Cl एटा हमर हे गेला ब्रोमीन हाउ N2Cl इज कन्वर्टेड टू फिनॉल इट इज अगेन हीटेड विथ H2O बॉइलिंग वाटर रे करा हबा ट्रीटमेंट तमे डी पाई जिवो OH एटा हला ब्रोमीन दिस इज मेटा ब्रोमो फिनॉल ताना हे गेला मेटा ब्रोमो फिनॉल so this conversion is very important in council examination point of view so this is the required steps to convert benzene to metabromophenol next come to substitution by benzene तापर हम benzene तैयारी करबा how benzene is prepared from BDC synthesis of benzene from BDC it is benzene diazonium chloride when benzene is heated with H3PO2 hypophosphorus acid and H2O hypophosphorus acid and H2O this benzene undergoes reduction this BDC undergoes reduction आम ये पाई बेंजीन एटा बेंजीन हो गला इट इज बेंजीन प्लस H3PO3 H3PO3 plus N2 plus HCl so when benzene diazonium chloride undergoes reduction in presence of H3PO2 H2O it have a reduction benzene on BDC undergoes reduction BDC reduction कले तुम पाई benzene plus H3PO2 plus N2 plus HCl so benzene is synthesized from BDC and also you can use also ethyl alcohol you can use another reagent also ethyl alcohol so when BDC react with ethyl alcohol BDC undergoes benzene and ethyl alcohol undergoes oxidation to give acetaldehyde so these are the two steps BDC plus hypophosphorus acid plus H2O gives benzene or BDC react with ethyl alcohol gives benzene so by this way we can synthesize benzene from BDC next come to multiple choice question number 8 multiple choice question number 8 टा तुम हो होमवर्क क्वेश्चन को भल कि पढ़ क्वेश्चन भल कि पढ़ आइडेंटिफाई ए एंड बी ए टा कौन बी टा कौन पचरा है तुम ये नेक्स्ट क्लास रे मते क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 को करके देखैबो Next come to question number 9. Question number 9 also your multiple choice question. Question number 9 as your homework. Question number 9 टा मध्य तुम पे होची homework ये सब entrance type questions. These questions are frequently asked in entrance examinations like JEE or NEET. And also question number 10. Z in the following sequence. Benzene देइछि W बाहरिबो X बाहरिबो Y बाहरिबो Z बाहरिबो. Very easy questions and you can do this. You are able to do because your fundamental is already cleared. MCQ number 10 एटा मध्ये तमर होची homework. Question number 8, question number 9, question number 10 तुम पे homework दिया गला मत नेक्स्ट क्लास देखेइबो. आउ किछ homework टिप मु किछ homework देइछि जोटा काउंसिल ओरिएंटेड क्वेश्चन. प्रथम क्वेश्चन होची convert aniline to 135 ट्राइब्रोमोबेंजीन कन्वर्सन करिवो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 होची give one chemical test to distinguish between aniline and ethylamine by azodite test. गोटे डिस्टिंक्शंस देइछि aniline होची प्राइमरी aromatic amine, ethylamine होची aliphatic primary amine. How to distinguish? You have to use azodite test. Question number 3 also. These are the homeworks. Question number 3 होची diazonium salt of aromatic amines are more stable than aliphatic amines. मु गला क्लास रे कहिथली डाइजोनियम सॉल्ट होची aromatic तार रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर थिला सो बेसी स्टेबल. aliphatic amine रो रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर नथिला. सो दिस इज द आंसर मत नेक्स्ट क्लास रे देखेइबो. And another question is an organic compound A of molecular formula C6H5NO2 react with SnHCl to give B. A संगरे रिडक्शन कले B बाहरिबो. B react with HNO2 and HCl at 273 Kelvin gives C. Reagent जना पड़ी जाउची एटा होची diazotization. Which on boiling water treatment gives D of molecular formula C6H6O means it is phenol. Both B and D shows yellowish white color on treatment with bromine water means in aqueous medium. Identify A, B, C and D with resin. तो तुमको 4टा क्वेश्चन दिया गला मत नेक्स्ट क्लास एटा को देखेइबो. And in the next class we will discuss chemical reactions or synthesis from BDC. आम नेक्स्ट क्लास डिस्कशन करिबा synthesis of phenyl hydrazine, synthesis of anisole, synthesis of biphenyl by Gomberg reaction and also very important coupling reaction and Bartt reaction. And in the last we will discuss the uses of BDC. तुम जहाँ सब क्लास पढ़ा गला तुम तो आज पढ़ रिवाइज करो रिपीटेशन बेगेट्स मिस्ट्री एंड स्टे सेफ स्टे वेल. थैंक यू.